Good morning, student. This is your computer class. Today we learn chapter number 6, Introduction to HTML. Firstly, I want to tell you that what is HTML. HTML is stand for Hypertext Markup Language. Okay, it is a markup language, student. Okay, and HTML is the code beta. Okay, that is used to structure a web page and its content. Got it? And today I tell you about that the history of HTML, features of HTML, HTML full form, components of HTML, structure of an HTML document, HTML editor, creating an HTML document, HTML attributes, and viewing HTML document using a web browser. Okay. So student, let's begin. You have already learned about internet, no? World Wide Web also, web pages and related terminologies. But do you know which programming language is used to create web pages? You know, a web page is generally a single HTML document, which includes text, graphics, audios, videos and link regardless of the length of the document or the amount of information it has. Got it? Now, history of the HTML. What is history? A markup language, which markup language in the 1980s was known as GML, General Markup Language. In 1986, ISO standardized GML and named it as SGML, Standard Generalized Markup Language. Okay. Now, it was an internationally agreed method for marking up text into structural units such as paragraphs, headings, list items and so on. SGML could be implemented on any machine. Okay. Now no more. In 1989, Tim Berners-Lee, a scientist wrote a memo proposing an internet-based hypertext system. He specified HTML and wrote the browser and server software in late 1990s. Okay, he is the Tim Berners-Lee. Okay, now HTML was strongly based on SGML with the idea that the language was independent of the browser or other viewing software, which actually displayed the text on the screen. The use of pairs of tags such as title, this is the open, this arrow shows the open title and this arrow shows the close title. This one is taken directly from SGML, which functions exactly the same. The SGML elements used in Tim's HTML included most of the text such as paragraph. P means paragraph. Okay. H1 to H6. Heading level 1 through heading level of 6. Now OL ordered list and UL unordered list. Got it? And LI is list items and various others. Hypertext links made HTML different from SGML. The idea of using the anchor tag with the href attributes was Tim's inventions. Whose invention? Tim's invention. A format for addressing machines on the web, HTML continued to grow with new powerful and exciting text with various versions. HTML being the latest. Okay. Now student, no more. The different versions of the HTML. In 1991, it is HTML. 1995, HTML 2.0. 1997, HTML 3.2. 1999, HTML 4.01. And 2000, XHTML and 2014, HTML5. Got it? This is the version of HTML. Okay. Now student, HTML. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. Okay, underline this. What is this hypertext? The text on the web page that is used to link various web pages. On clicking the link, this is the blue. This link is in blue in color. Okay, so this is the hypertext. Got it, friend? Takes to the new section in the same document or document in another web page. Okay. Now, what is markup? The markup or the text or the commands that are used to instruct the browser how to display the text and present information on a web page or highlight the text in different colors that is used to link various web pages. Okay. Now, what is language? The medium of communication between web pages by following its own syntax. Okay, this is the language. Now features of HTML. The features or the characteristic of HTML that made is popular for writing web pages are as follows. First is easy to understand the syntax. Okay, now platform independent language. It is also it is not a case sensitive language. Got it, student? Attributes are used to amplify the properties of a tag. Flexibility to design web page using multimedia events. Embedding a video is as simple as inserting an image. Now links can be added for easy browsing. Okay, once the web pages are created, they are shared with the world. Got it? Now components of HTML. HTML code consists of tags or elements and its attributes. Okay, what is HTML tag? HTML is a markup language. Okay, or tag based language. Okay, tag is the most basic components essential to create a web page. It is an instruction referred to as a source code. Tags or elements means the same and thus are used interchangeably. Got it? HTML tags are keywords enclosed in a pair of angular brackets. This is the angular bracket, this one and this one. Tags mark the start and end the HTML instruction. The first tag is known as opening, start or on. Got it, student? And the end tag is known as closing, end or off tag. Okay, the end tag preceded by a slash. This slash is preceded by the end tag. Got it, student? With angular brackets. Okay, this you should make this angular brackets and this angular brackets, and this is the slash. This is the close tag. Got it? And whatever you want to return here, this is written. Okay, the main content to be displayed on a web page is placed between the opening and closing tags. Okay, main content. What are the two types of tags? Types of tags, two types of tags. Container tags, tags is also called elements. Description. These tags have a start and end and end tag. Got it? Then see this angular brackets, and under this angular bracket is B, and this is also angular bracket, and under this angular bracket is B, and this is slash. So this shows the open tag and this shows the close tag, and similar these also, this also. Okay, now empty tags and elements. These tags have only the start tag and no end tag. Got it? This is the image. This has only start tag. Okay, there is no end tag. This is also okay, same. Now structure of an HTML document. This is very important. Structure of HTML document. Got it? HTML document is also known as HTML page. The various tags form an HTML document. The basic structure of the HTML document is, firstly we have to open the HTML tag, and then we have to close the HTML tag. Got it? Now in under this we have to type head tag open, and then head tag close. Okay, now in under the head tag, title open and then title close, and then under the title we have to return the web page, whatever you want to give in the title of the web page. Okay, now then out of the head you have to write the body open tag and then the close tag, and then whatever you want to return from you have to return under the body. Got it? Now this is the structure of HTML. Okay, now come in tags and its description. First is HTML. The HTML tags forms the foundation of a web page. It is the foundation of a web page. It is also known as root element. It is container tag. HTML tag indicates the beginning of a web page, and HTML tag marks as the end of the web page. Under this, see this. Okay, this slash. All other tags are nested between the HTML and HTML tag. Nested means these all are under the HTML open and HTML close. So these tags are called nested. Okay. You can add new elements to an HTML structure with the help of a new text. Got it? Now head tag, it begins the head and ends the head tag. It does not contain any text that is displayed on the web page. It is an optional tag. Okay, this tag includes the title tag and logo of the web page, taglines and metadata. The keyword to be read by search engines of the web page. Okay, now title, it begins with this title and end with this title. Okay, it is a container tag. A title is written in between the text. The content that you wish to display on the title bar of the web browser is placed between the title text. Understand? The title tag is always placed inside the head tag. Okay. The text is in, it does not appear on the web page. Okay. Now body, it defines the document body, which includes tags, images, audio, videos.